Hello, Invictaholics and YouTubers. This is Coach DC Woods back at you with another watch reveal. This is my first Invicta watch, and I just unwrapped it today. I've had this watch for a while, and it's just been sitting in my collection. This is an Invicta Specialty from the Specialty Collection, model number 6620. It is a 45 millimeter watch, 16 millimeters thick, and it has polished and brushed stainless steel. It's a chronograph with the sunsplash dials, unidirectional turn on the dial, and it is beautiful. Let's see more details. As you can see, it says Invicta Specialty from the Specialty Collection. Stainless steel back. Beautiful brushed and polished band. It has a push button clasp on it to open and close it. Beautiful watch. Let's try it on and see how it feels. First of all, let's see what the watch of the day is. My S1 Rally Gold Tone Sharp. Let's try this bad boy on. Boom, there she is. Eye catcher. I got the size to band, but it is gorgeous. I love this all stainless steel. And it also has the Trinite illuminating watch hands. Tell me what you think. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Talk to you later. Peace.